Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited because this is my first video in English. So today I'm gonna have this Clinique PR unboxing because on May 12th we're gonna have a huge Mother's Day event at Clinique Macys Westland Mall in Hialeah, Florida. And of course, you're all invited. It's gonna be from 1 to 5 and it's called Get Ready with Silvana Arias. Just in case you guys don't know how to pronounce my name, it's Silvana, it's Italian. That's why you have to do your hands like this, Silvana. We're gonna have 3 sessions. The first one at 1, get ready with Silvana for work. The second one at 2, yes, at 2, get ready for work. And the last one at 3, get ready for a night out. And of course, we're gonna have a lot of gifts and free samples for all my followers if you send me all your information to my email. So let's start. I'm gonna bring my scissors because I'm not good with these boxes. They're really hard to open. I did it! Thank you for your amazing partnership. Clinique is so excited to have you on board. Okay. This is the bag. It says Clinique. It's like a little shopping bag. Ooh. And then I got 2 things. The first one is this little pouch. Is it correct to say pouch? And then I also got a Clinique number 3 clarifying lotion. Okay, I've never tried this before. It's for combination in oily skin. What I like about Clinique is that everything's good for your skin. They don't have perfumes or any weird coloring, and it's 100% allergy tested and dermatologist developed. Okay, that's good. I'm definitely going to try this because I've never tried it, and I already like the packaging, and it's pink. It's pink. Okay, first I'm seeing this little thing right here. It's the Take the Day Off makeup remover in a sample size, and it's a travel size too. I really like it. This is the one that I've been using for the last 6 months since I got my first one. I have the normal size, and the only thing with this caps is that I never get to open them. It's really hard. Nice, no fragrance. Okay, the second thing that I see is this box that says Clinique Pressed Renew and Powder Cleanser with Pure Vitamin C. A powder cleanser. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. It's full of vitamin C powder. Ooh, I'm gonna get addicted to this. You know why? Because after you turn 30, you have to think about having more doses of vitamin C and collagen and, you know, all these products that are good for our skin. Then we have this Fresh Pressed Daily Booster with Pure Vitamin C. Brighten, even, re-texturize for all skin types. And let me open this. I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And all the instructions are here, just in case you don't know how to use it. Okay, so let's try this. It says that you have to pull here, push here. Okay, something broke inside. I don't know if I did it right, if that was supposed to sound like that. Then shake for 15 seconds. And pour it. Oh yeah, it's coming out. I tried this at the event we had a couple of months ago, and I loved it. So thank you so much. Then we have one of my favorite mascaras ever, the High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara, the one that I use in every single tutorial that I've been doing for the last 2 or 3 months, because I just tried it and I love it. Then we have the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss Hydration. Look at that color. Oh, I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see it and we can feel the texture, because I haven't tried this before. Oh, it's super glossy. I love it. Can you see? And last but not least, look at this baby. This was my favorite perfume for like 10 years. I don't know why I stopped buying it. If you like citrus mixed with flowers, this is the perfume for you. Doesn't that happen to you, that you smell something and instantly you're transported to another dimension, to the past, to a situation? That just happened to me. I'm happy again. Happy, like the name of the perfume. As always, thank you, Clinique. You guys are amazing. So send me your email with all your information and your mom's information if she's coming with you, so we can have an afternoon full of fun, beauty, fashion, and of course, great perfumes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.